Clear, silk glowing face, your ultimate guide. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into the secrets of achieving that clear, silk glowing face we all dream of. Stick around as we uncover some simple yet effective tips and tricks. First things first, skincare is key. It's essential to establish a consistent routine tailored to your skin type. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. This lays the foundation for healthy skin. Next up, hydrate and nourish your skin. Look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and vitamin C for brightening effects. Apply your serum and moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp to seal in. Hydration. Remember, beauty starts from within. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants can work wonders for your skin. Now, let's talk about stress management. High stress levels can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to breakouts and dullness. Don't forget the importance of a good night's sleep. Your skin repairs and rejuvenates itself while you sleep. So aim for 7–9 hours of quality rest each night. Establish a soothing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for restorative sleep. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps from skincare to nutrition to stress management, you'll be well on your way to achieving that clear, silk glowing face you've always wanted. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.